Nothing in life will cause us more joy, more excitement, more triumph, or more headache, more heartache, and more pain than our intimate relationships. This is why I am doing a free webinar on relationships. Come for it. It's free. Recordings will be sent. Details are below. And in this workshop, I will be teaching you how to use relationships to optimize your growth, how to use each relationship in your life with your parents, with your children, with your partners to evolve, to take you to your greatest empowerment and your liberation, how to create the right kind of boundaries, how to speak up, stand up, show up for yourself and the other in a way that evolves you both. You don't want to miss this relationship workshop. Details are below. It's free.